ManyTrusted channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you use avocado for hair growth and making your hair to become very soft. How can you use avocado for hair growth and making your hair to become very soft. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. In the past video, I explained how can you use rice water for hair growth and making your hair very soft. So in this video, I'm going to explain how can you use avocado for hair growth and making your hair to become very soft. It is like this. First of all, you're going to take an avocado. After that, you're going to wash it. After washing it, you're going to cut it. You're going to make 2 pieces. So after that, you're going to take the inner layer of avocado. After that, you're going to grind that inner layer. After that, you're going to make something like a paste. So after making that paste, some people, they usually use avocado paste as how it is, but sometimes you can add it with egg. Some people, they add with banana, and also some people, they can add with coconut oil. Okay, so after that, after taking the avocado paste, you're going to apply to your hair. Apply, make sure that the avocado has completely covered the hair. So after that, you're going to wait for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to wash it by using shampoo, and after that, you're going to dry your hair. So it's really like this. Why do we use avocado and not orange or not mango? It is like this. Avocado, it contains a compound which is called biotin. So biotin is a good compound which helps in hair growth. But also avocado, it contains vitamin B, B2, also it contains vitamin D, and also it contains vitamin E. But also has some minerals such as iron and copper. All those minerals and all those components are helpful for hair growth. But also avocado, it contains vitamin E. So vitamin E, it acts as antioxidant to help to prevent hair damage from free radicals. But also there are some people who they normally get allergy due to avocado. So if you have allergy due to avocado, don't use avocado. You can use other ways of making your hair to making your hair to grow, and also making your hair to become very soft. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.